Good morning. It's a cooler start to the day today, and essentially it's one of sunshine and showers. A lot of the showers will be in the north and the west, and although it's going to be windy, it's not going to be quite as windy as it was yesterday. I'll have all the details shortly.
Just right now. Good morning. How's it looking?
Good morning, Sal and John. Good morning to you too. It's looking mixed for the next few days, John. This morning, if you just are about to step out, these are the temperatures you can expect widely. We're looking at about 8 to 12 degrees, so a cooler start to the day today than it was yesterday. The other thing that may interest you if you have an allergy to grass pollen is that the levels across much of England and Wales today are moderate or high, and as well as grass pollen in the southeast, we're also looking at a little bit of nettle pollen in there as well. Now, it's been a wet start to the day for some of us, particularly so in the north and the west. We've had quite prolific showers, especially in the northwest. And as we go through the rest of the day, the forecast is one of bright spells, sunny spells and showers. Again, most of them will be in the north and the west, but we could see some in central and eastern areas as well. At times there'll be a build-up of cloud, then we'll see some holes develop in the cloud. Now, we're looking at another windy day, not quite as windy as it was yesterday, but still some coastal gales across the northwest of Scotland. And temperature-wise, we've got a range from 11 to about 18 degrees north to south. Through this evening, a lot of the showers in Northern Ireland, England and Wales will fade. We'll hang on to them across Scotland. And in the second half of the night, the cloud will build, and then we're going to see the arrival of some rain coming in from the southwest. Temperatures 8 to about 12 degrees overnight, but locally in sheltered glens, we could well see 4 or 5 as being our minimum temperatures. Tomorrow we pick up the rain and it continues to journey northwards and eastwards, eventually clearing off into the North Sea. And then for all of us, it's going to be another day of bright spells, sunny spells and some showers. Tomorrow too, it's going to be quite a blustery day, not as much as today, with temperatures 11 to about 18 degrees once again. So for some, just below average for the time of year. Into Friday, we've got a weak front clearing away and then another set of fronts coming in from the west. The weak front will produce some of this rain, which moves away during the course of the morning. Some drier spells, some sunshine, but a few showers around. And then the showers pack in the west, where we've got the next set of fronts coming our way. And some of those could be heavy and potentially thundery as well. Temperatures ranging from 12 to about 18 degrees. So not a huge change in the temperature levels as we go through this week. Saturday looks like being one of the wettest days of the weekend. Again, we're looking at showers, heavy and thundery, some downpours in this as well. Breezy conditions coming in from the north and into the south. And here are the temperatures, 12 to 18 once again. Looks like it's going to be a bit drier though in the south on Sunday. Still some showers though in the north. We don't see a recovery in the temperatures really until the middle of next week, if you like it that bit warmer, and that will mostly be in the south. Sal and John.
But it might get warmer.
A little bit warmer, yes, Sal. In the middle of next week in the south.
That sunny spell seems like ages